die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my sexy mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on Oajan by Parfums de Marly. But before I talk about this, I just wanted to mention my fragrance of the day, and it is Tom Ford's Ombre Leather, just the Eau de Parfum, not the Parfum. This is in my top 3 favorite fragrances of all time. It smells incredible. The leather in this one is very rich, decadent, but it's not dirty enough to be really super animalic and off-putting. It's a very, very long-lasting, potent fragrance. People love the way this one smells, and in all honesty, it's just something that I wear for myself, just because it smells so damn nice. Presentation, overall quality of the fragrance, it's just incredible. It's probably the best money I've ever spent on fragrances in terms of pure enjoyment for the overall scent. I just bought a bottle of Tuscan leather, so I'm waiting for that in the mail, and I can't wait to do a side-by-side comparison between the two scents. And yeah, Tom Ford Ombre Leather, it's an incredible scent. I love it. One of my personal favorite fragrances. They're a little pricey, it's Tom Ford after all, but I feel like this is one of the very few brands that you really do get what you pay for. And back with Parfums de Marly Oajan. Illustrious perfumer Parfums de Marly is renowned for paying homage to the magnificence and elegance of horses. Dedicating diverse scents to these majestic steeds, Parfums de Marly latest collection of perfumes, Arabian Breed, pays tribute to the strength and refinement of Arabian horses. Back in the olden days, the Oajan was considered a powerful frame of war, and riders nowadays do not hesitate to rely on him to win successive riding championships. The corresponding scent will please you with sugary notes of vanilla and tonka beans for an unforgettable and suave olfactive journey. And I'll just show you that one right there. So, presentation is pretty nice for a sample bottle, I've got to say. There's just something about the black and the gold, it just screams class. Similar to Tom Ford's Black Orchid. Don't smell anything out of the little sample bottle, and this is a 1.2 milliliter sample. Put that in focus for you guys. Looking forward to smelling this one. Super potent. It's very gourmand. It smells very edible. It's you do get some sort of like raw sugar notes, like raw, almost caramelized sugar. Vanilla pods, vanilla beans, not artificial vanilla like vanilla extract or anything like that. This is like the real deal sort of stuff. And there's like maybe a musk in the background, like a clean musk perhaps. This is very potent, I've got to say. I would love to pick up a full bottle of this because it actually, now that I think about it, it reminds me of that wood scent. Hang on. You'll have to excuse me, I had to go get this. Oajan by Parfums de Marly actually reminds me of Ragbar's Wood Intense, except way softer and more sophisticated. Wood Intense is a very in-your-face sort of burnt caramel, burnt sugar sort of fragrance. This is a very high-quality scent naturally. I get some sort of floral in here as well. I get a lot of like cooking spices as well, like cinnamon. This is a pretty decadent scent, I've got to say. I imagine performance is going to be pretty solid. Yeah, so far as first impressions go for Oajan, I'm pretty impressed with this one. It smells delicious. It smells like you could eat it, although I don't necessarily recommend that. Yeah, spicy gourmand. That's how I would describe this one. It's a spicy gourmand. It smells delicious. As far as niche scents go, this is one of the more mass appealing ones I've tried. I suppose like Leighton and Leighton Exclusive are sort of like mass appealing as well, but this is sort of like mass appealing in a way that fans of Paco Rabanne's 1 Million would be able to appreciate as well. Yeah, this is a delicious scent. So, first impressions of Parfums de Marly Oajan. This is a very solid scent. Love the way this one smells. Love that spicy, edible quality to it. And yeah, if you've ever smelt this one before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.